Hello and welcome to the Sub One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're looking at this headphone holder. Picked this up at the reject shop, so we're going to have a look at this, and I'll probably start using it to hold my cordless headphones. Right, so nothing else in the box. Alright, we have got some instructions. Okay, so this plugs into here and just pushes on there. USB-C and USB Type A. So I have a plug over here I'll plug it into. It's got a USB port for your charging cable, and then this just fits on top. And you just put your finger over a touch sensor here to change the colours. That's got a LED chase in it, so it's going to be hard to show this. I'm just going to up the lighting level in here and see if that'll help. No, it doesn't. What might help is diffusing the light a little bit. So this is light chasing. It's hard to see in the camera. So nothing very special. All it is a holder for headphones to sit on. Well, that'll do for this video. If you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It helps the channel a great deal. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my patrons, VIPs, Go Lucky and Lorenz Berger, as well as my builder patrons, Elmer Els 45 and White Wolf. I also have a Discord channel, so if there's any questions you have about this, you can feel free to either leave a comment in the description below or drop into Discord, and we'll see you in the next video.